Welcome to my channel GMZone. Here I'm going to be showing you guys on how to guide you in order to bind your OEX address to your Satoshi app. Satoshi have just released an update on their Twitter page saying that OEX wallet submission starting from April 13 to April 27. We are almost at 19+%, and once we get to 100%, probably before April 13 it will have gotten to 100%, and by the time when it gets to April 13 we start submitting our OEX address to the Satoshi app. So the step-by-step guide which I'm going to show you guys now, very easy and very simple. It's not going to be very difficult at all, which I'm going to make everything more easy for you guys to understand it very well. So the first place we have to go is through the Satoshi app. Let us search for Satoshi. So this is Satoshi app. You clicked on it. After we've clicked on it, this is our Satoshi app. There's an update here. They said guide to OEX submission on Satoshi app. So we'll click on it to see the step-by-step guide the Satoshi app itself has sent to us. So we clicked on it. So after clicking on it, it says starting April you can submit your wallet address. Please note that there's no need of you don't need to have any ask for any question. April 13 you start submitting what your wallet address. We only have just 14 days left, I guess. Yes, so he said you have April 13 you can submit your wallet address for OEX, withdrawal and complete facial recognition in the Satoshi app. The facial recognition, there's a need for the facial recognition before you start, or when you download this Satoshi app. When you're about to add OEX, you did what is called face recognition, right? So when you're about to withdraw also, you must also do face recognition. It is very necessary. The immediate time when you are trying to submit your wallet address, you must do your facial recognition, because without you been doing that, there's no how it's going to be successful for you to link your wallet address, your OEX wallet address, to the Satoshi app. And they said wallet address submission window, mark your calendar. April 13 submission begins, April 27 submission ends. So they said follow this link to complete step by step. So you just all you need to do is just to click on the link. So this is the link. You click on it, direct us to medium. So we are here already. They say okay, now we are on April 13 is when they are going to start submission, and which is going to end April 27, which is good, not bad. They said remember, without submitting your wallet address, withdrawing your OEX will not be possible. They say if you don't submit a wallet address, there's no way it can be possible for you to withdraw that, that is true. They are good. So they say step 1, assessing. This is how it's going to display. When you go to OEX, this is how it's going to display. This is how it's going to display. It's a link wallet address. After we got the balance, we also have available, and after you've linked it, it will be showing you right here at frozen. If you've linked it, you'll be showing at frozen. When it's showing at frozen, meaning that it has been sent to you already. When it is at frozen. So let me quickly show you guys this thing. You can see that this link wallet address is not yet available on the Satoshi app, but that very day, April 13, is going to be available. So let us go to the that particular place they were here. You click on this. You click on this. You can see that this is our OEX. This is what we have, the balance and the available balance. So when you click on it, the OEX, you can see that it's not yes. You can see it. It is not here yet. Link wallet address. But April 30 you are going to see it. It's going to be displaying here. So note that, please. So this is how you're going to do it, and you click on the link wallet address. So the step 2 is linking your wallet address, clicking on the link wallet address button. So when you click on link wallet address, this is what it's going to tell you. It said before linking, please set one password, because a lot of people have been disturbing me that Abu Alpha, how I want to link this thing, because the thing is not about just linking. There are some things that you have to learn and do also, which I'm showing you guys right now. You say before linking, the thing is not displayed yet, but that link address will be shown below this place. But once it shows below, when you click on non-link wallet address, it's going to tell you before linking, please set your fund password. Fund password is different from your login password. Fund password on Satoshi is always needed when you want to withdraw the coins that you mine on Satoshi. That is when fund password is available. Then your login password is whenever you log out and you want to log in back your account. Why fund password is needed? Why you want to link a wallet address? You understand? Anytime you want to link your wallet address or you want to change it later, your fund password is always needed. And fund password are in 6 digits number. And how can you set your fund password? This is our Satoshi app. It is within the Satoshi app that you can also set your fund password. You click on edit optional. No, you click on personal settings. Yes. Now when you come here, this is airdrop, this is me. You understand? You just click on personal settings. Then when you click on personal settings, you see some different things. We have delete account, terms of use, private policy, change email, asset password, change password, change nickname, I am not a robot, choose country. So the one we are talking about here is this is the asset password, which is your fund password. You can either call it asset password or fund password, but this is your real password, which is change password. But the one we are talking about when you're about to link your wallet address is the asset password. This one include of just 6 this number. So all you need to do is just to click on asset password, you set it up. Understand? You set it up. I've already set my own up, and if I forgot my asset password, I can reset it. You understand? I've already set my own during the time of call. I've set this asset password up. So if I want to reset it, I'll put the old one here and I'll put another new one, repeated again, then confirm it. But if I forget the asset password, I can always click on forget and reset it. Very simple. It's either they send it to my anyway or the other. They send some code to my email and I was able to access the code. They now give me the grace of entering another asset password, which is very simple. So that is just that. You just know that it's just 6 digit number. You can either put it 61488221. So this is 6 digit number now. That's 6 digit number. So that's how you set your asset password. So once you've been able to set your asset password, okay, now we've been able to set our asset password. This is now how it's going to display to you now. You just click on close, then it will display to you in this manner after clicking on link your wallet address. So you input the wallet address, then you put this asset password that you said that is some 6 digit number. So a lot of people will be asking me, where can you get wallet address? We were thinking that MetaMask was the one we are going to use, but I just say that it's not really MetaMask. Though you can use MetaMask if you want. You can also use OKX. You can use OKX wallet. You can use Trust wallet if you want. But I advise you that just go with the OEX itself, their project. Their app has wallet address. Wallet address is this. You click on OEX. Let's say, for instance. So you sign in. I already created an account. Or if you don't have an account, you sign up and watch the video I sent to my YouTube channel to guide you on how to create it. So that is that. Then alright, that's load right now. So you see what we need to do here right now. This is what is called wallet address now. The same thing on what they call on MetaMask. Okay, yes. For instance, just click on it, receive. You understand? Like the wallet address that is here, it will be the same for all. It will be the same for all of these asset that is being shown here. So let's say for instance, now you want to withdraw your OEX, you click on this, then you click on receive. And when you click on receive, you just tap it. You can see it. It say copied, address copy to clipboard. So this is it. What is showing address copy to clipboard. So once you tap it, it's going to show from there. So that is it, address. So it's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. So that is what you have to copy and paste here. You understand? You paste it here. Once you paste it here, you put your assets password. You can either use MetaMask, you can either use the OEX app, and you can also either use Trust Wallet, OKS Wallet, anyone at all of your choice that you know you can be able to handle very well. But I just maybe rather advise you to just use OEX for easy doing, because they are gonna make things easier for us through the app. You understand? So it's all trust is yours. So this is how it's going to be. So after completing everything, your transaction and everything, nothing is going to be shown on your Binance available and frozen again after you've linked anything. And now already everything has been sent to you. Understand? Everything has been sent to you. So here you just have it. This you can view your records, and you can view it on blockchain, or if you like, and it will be sent to whichever wallet you just send to them. That's where you are going to receive it. So that is how to bind your wallet address. You understand? And make sure that while you are about to bind it, while you are about to click this OEX link withdraw asset, after you put your withdraw asset and asset password, you are going to do face recognition, facial recognition. So just note that in your mind. So all you need is Satoshi app for linking, and any other app of your choice. Me, I'm going to use OEX. Yeah, I'm going to use OEX because I felt it's just gonna be easy using OEX here. So guys, that's how to bind and link your OEX address to your Satoshi app. Thank you and bye.